Welcome. This short meditation helps you practice conscious breathing, a simple way to calm your mind and connect with source energy. Breath is the bridge between you and source energy. Each deep, conscious breath draws more life force into your body, calming the mind, restoring balance, and reconnecting you with your natural flow. The Arcturians, known for their light and clarity, are here to support your breathing in balance. Their energy helps you find an easy, natural rhythm. Steady, peaceful, and effortless. Find a comfortable position now. You may sit upright with your feet grounded, or lie down if that feels better. Let your hands rest gently. Close your eyes if that feels right. Begin by noticing your natural breath. No need to change anything yet. Just observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Now, slowly breathe in through your nose. Hold for a brief moment and exhale through your mouth, soft and easy. Inhale again, a little deeper this time. Feel the air enter your body. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tightness. As you breathe, imagine each inhale drawing in pure source light. This light fills your lungs, your chest, your whole being. Each exhale releases old energy, thoughts, tension, worry. The Arcturians work beside you, gently clearing and aligning your energy field. Their calm blue light helps you breathe more freely and deeply, so your body feels lighter and more open. You don't have to force peace. Breathing itself aligns you with it. Continue breathing slowly and evenly. Inhale calm, exhale release. If your mind wanders, bring your focus back to your breath. Feel how each cycle of air refreshes you. Your breath connects you to your body, your heart, and source, all at once. Now, take the next couple of minutes to practice this on your own. Let your breath find its own gentle rhythm, steady and natural. Notice how your body begins to move with the breath, softening a little more each time. The Arcturian light remains beside you, guiding each inhale into balance and each exhale into release. Take one more deep breath in and slowly let it go. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You can return to this simple practice anytime. Even a few minutes a day helps your energy stay clear and aligned. With consistency, your breath will become your most trusted tool for peace and connection.